So as you guys know, yesterday we initiated the process of moving to our old new house, getting started with the cleaning and setting up of the house. And today we're going Home Depot shopping with a brother to get some curtain, roller blind and essential. And Gigi has volunteered to help us today set up the window.
Yeah, I'm volunteer to set up the window, but you know that's not my favorite kind of shopping.
What is your kind of shopping?
I cannot tell them.
I know. We do that just before the wedding. We cannot leave her behind because she's very picky about her stuff, and anything that we're gonna buy, she's gonna be like, why you buy this, why you buy that color, this color, no.
You got the list, it's very easy.
No,
All
anyway,
white.
we don't want to.
It always seems easy, but let the lady decide and pick finally what she wants. And these are the arguments you don't ever get in.
So if I promise that I won't complain, can I let you guys go alone?
Hey.
We are parked in the pro parking because Mr. Guillaume is a pro. He has a professional number here now. I just wanted to keep the camera inside, and then we realized that the trunk is full. There is no space. Now the Gigi is taking this car back and bringing his pickup, much value. So
I always asking you, where's your head? Eh? Where's your head?
it has all been heaten up. Now we're in the paint section to make sure that we're able to find a suitable paint that can go inside the cupboards. There is a special type which Sandra is looking for right there.
Now we're looking for some liner to put inside the kitchen cabinet, inside the fridge and inside the pantry to make it look more clean.
Yeah, and the paint won't get scratched and they won't make much noise if you keep the utensils on top of these things, no?
Yeah, and this one will match.
Yeah, and this is what we used for the motorhome also initially, so that the furniture doesn't slide.
And I love it.
Yeah.
This is for the curtain in the living room.
Okay.
Because we have a big window, so we're gonna put curtain there.
Yeah, you're not wearing your hat, yeah.
Where is it?
It was in the car.
Yeah, but I forget it in the car because I take the pickup.
Did you forget intentionally?
No, really. I hope to see Jake with it
Oh, yeah.
when I came.
Oh, okay, no problem. Next time.
Bibi,
Yes.
I really need your opinion
About
about what to put in the room.
put me in the room.
On the window.
On the
Shall
window.
we go with curtain or blind?
Curtain or blind?
The roller.
On the window we put curtain or blind or roller?
Roller.
Roller. Gigi says roller.
Roller.
I'm not convinced about the roller thing.
Why?
They're both the same price, and I have a feeling that, because it's all white everywhere, so the curtain may add a bit more of the homey feeling.
You remember what I told you about giving no suggestion? And why we bring the lady? Otherwise we would have brought roller and she would not have been
White
happy.
roller and that's it.
Now we just have to pick up some lights for the bedrooms.
Simple one.
simple means cheap.
You know, back in 30 minutes,
Yeah.
yeah, she say we just check for simple roller.
It took 45 minutes.
45 minutes. Now we in the lights, and the simple one for me it's $12.
Yeah. Okay, we have a total of $600.
Now that we just brought the material inside, we divided the roller and the curtain in the respective room, and now it's time for my brother to teach Juju how to install those. But if you're liking the video so far, don't forget to hit the share and like button, and for channel support and motivation, the subscribe button and the bell icon.
Press it. It's already on the bottom.
Okay, and twist.
I don't want to break the wall, no? That's the trick.
We're trying to remove every old bulb, and already it changed the look so much.
Yeah.
Look, the thickness of the wire
Oh wow.
is like for making running a furnace or AC.
Okay.
It's unplugged. No.
Bird sticks.
So you go like this.
Yeah. Open.
You go forward. You hold the shock.
Okay. So it will tighten.
And after you just remove.
Okay. I'm trying.
Good job, babe.
Okay, so finally the lights have been changed, the curtains have been replaced. That's pretty much it, that what we can do in our limited capacity without spending too much. We're just trying to, add some fresh touches to the really old look that his house has. How did you find it?
What do you mean that's it? Like,
Oh, you have more? Oh, okay. Looks
That's
it's
it
gonna
for
be-
now.
Now it is time to read the most liked comment on the previous video, which was about we getting married, the announcement. So what's the comment?
This one is for you, my love.
Yeah.
It's from Santosh Mahajan.
Okay.
And the comment is, just imagine Suki Paji enter into the wedding hall wearing the dress of Padri and say his signature dialogue, I'm back.
So in there go to both log, oh ho, everybody is missing Suki Paji. When Suki Paji name come, I forget I'm supposed to speak in English. But what I'll do is, he's one of my best friend, you know. So I will make a video with him, even though he cannot come for the wedding because Canada hasn't officially allowed for any tourist to come and visit, even and particularly from India because of COVID situation, even the direct flights are not open. So sadly, he won't be here, even though we tried for it a lot, to be very honest. But I'll definitely do a video call with him on my channel for sure.
Yes, and
Very
I think
soon.
we also need to clarify that us doing something in Canada for the wedding function does not mean that we're not going to do anything in India. 'Cause
Yeah.
a lot of people were confused in the comment section. So the India plan is still on.
Provided we get the
Provided
visas.
the visa allows.
Yeah, but if you like the video so far, like and share button, and for channel support and our motivation, subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.